Welcome to our video on the benefits daily yoga for beginners. Are you ready to explore how incorporating yoga into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your physical and mental well-being? Let's dive right in and discover why daily yoga can be a game changer for beginners looking to improve their overall health and quality of life. Transitioning from a sedentary lifestyle to a more active one can seem daunting, but with the right guidance and mindset, anyone can start their yoga journey and reap the countless benefits it has to offer. From improved flexibility and strength to better posture and balance, regular yoga practice can help you feel more energized and revitalized throughout the day. In addition to the physical benefits, daily yoga promotes mental well-being by reducing stress levels, enhancing focus, and promoting relaxation. By incorporating mindfulness and breathing techniques into your practice, you can achieve a sense of inner peace and tranquility. There are some simple yet effective yoga poses that beginners can incorporate into their daily routine. From downward facing dog to warrior poses, each asana offers unique benefits for the body and mind. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a daily yoga routine or interested in delving into the world of Astanga yoga, remember that yoga is a journey of self-discovery and self-care. Embrace the practice with an open heart and mind, and enjoy the transformation it brings to your life. Thank you for joining us today.